Hello everyone. Did you know that get is one of the most useful words in English? Native speakers use it every day in conversations. If you learn the different meanings of get, you'll understand English better and sound more natural. In today's lesson, we'll learn 20 basic uses of get with simple examples. Let's begin. 1. Get, meaning to receive something. Examples: I got a gift for my birthday. She got a letter yesterday. 2. Get, meaning to buy something. Examples: I need to get some bread. Let's get a new notebook. 3. Get, meaning to change into a new state. Examples: It's getting dark. Don't get upset. She got tired after work. 4. Get, meaning to reach a place. Examples: I got home at 8 p.m. What time did you get to school? 5. Get, meaning to understand something. Examples: I don't get this question, and now I get it. 6. Get, meaning to bring something to someone. Examples: Please get me a glass of water. Can you get my bag? 7. Get, meaning to go and bring something back. Examples: I'll get the keys. Please get the newspaper. 8. Get, meaning to catch or become infected with something. Examples: I got a cold. He got the flu. 9. Get, meaning to receive money for work. Examples: She gets a good salary. He gets paid every Friday. 10. Get, meaning to have a chance. Examples: I got a chance to speak English. Did you get time to study? 11. Get, meaning to obtain or acquire something. Examples: Where did you get this book? I got my driving license last year. 12. Get, meaning to reach a destination. Examples: We got to the airport early. How did you get here? 13. Get, meaning to make someone do something. Examples: I got my brother to help me. She got her friend to join the class. 14. Get, meaning to receive an answer or reply. Examples: I got an email from my teacher. Did you get my message? 15. Get, meaning to experience something. Examples: We got a big surprise. He got a shock.
16. Get, meaning to take or use something. Examples: I get the bus every morning. We got a taxi home. 17. Get, meaning to score marks or points. Examples: She got 95% in the exam. I got full marks. 18. Get, meaning to become ready. Examples: Get ready for class. Let's get prepared. 19. Get, meaning to rise from bed. Examples: I get up at 6 a.m. She gets up early every day. 20. Get, meaning to come back. Examples: I got back home late. When did you get back from London? He is a university student who wants to improve his English. One morning, Ali got up early because he had an important English class. Before leaving home, his mother said, "Don't forget to get ready quickly." On the way to college, Ollie got the bus because his bicycle was broken. He got to college 15 minutes early. At the entrance, his teacher said, "I'm happy you got here on time." In class, every student got a new English workbook. Ollie was excited because he finally got the book he wanted. The teacher explained a grammar lesson. At first, Ollie didn't get it. But after a few examples, he smiled and said, "Now I get it." During the break, his friend asked, "Can you get me a bottle of water from the shop?" Ollie happily brought it back. Then he remembered he needed to get his notebook from the library. After lunch, the weather suddenly became cloudy. It was getting dark. A week later, Ollie got a cold and stayed at home for 2 days. When he returned to college, he got a message from his teacher saying, "Your speaking skills are getting better every day." Ollie worked hard and got excellent marks in his English test. His parents were proud because he had got a great opportunity to represent his college in an English speech competition. His teacher got him to practice speaking every afternoon. On the competition day, Ollie got a big surprise. He won first prize. At the end of the day, he got back home with a big smile. His mother asked, "How was your day?" Ollie replied, "I got so many wonderful things today. I got confidence, I got experience, and most importantly, I got closer to my dream of speaking English fluently." Now you've learned 20 basic uses of the word get. Start using these examples in your daily conversations, and your English will sound much more natural. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe to English with Easy Stories, and turn on the notification bell for more easy English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!